Welcome student to Mr. Gill's Academy of Math. We'll learn today how to add fraction. So when we add fraction, always before adding fraction, check the denominators. Are the denominators same? If they are same, it's easy to add. For example, 1 over 4 plus 2 over 4. Both denominator are 4, so denominator are same. So if they are same, write denominator as it is and then add the numerator. So for example, in this case, denominator are same. Both denominator are 4, 4. So write the denominator only once and then add the top number 1 plus 2, which is 3 over 4. You get 3 over 4. Here 5 over 11 plus 3 over 11. Both denominator are same. So write the denominator as it is and then write the add the numerator or add the top number. So 5 plus 3, 8, 8 over 11. And after doing this, check is it possible to reduce, because most teachers they want to reduce it. Should be the minimum number. So this is how we add if the denominator are same. But if denominator are not same, how we will add? So we will check first the denominator. If they are not same, we have to make them same using lowest common multiple. For example, 2 over 9 and 5 over 27. So denominators are not same. One is 9, one is 27. So we cannot simply add. So what we have to do, we have to make same denominator by using lowest common multiple. So what is the multiple of 9? So it's basically a table of 9. 9 times 1 is 9, 9 times 2 18, 9 times 3 27. So 9, 18, 27, 36, 45, 50 or so on. Right? So these are the multiple of 9. Then see what is the multiple of 27, means the table of 27. 27 times 1 is 27, 27 times 2 is 54, 27 times 3 is 81, so on. So if you compare all the multiples here, you see 27 and 27 is common. So lowest common multiple is 27. So what will be our common denominator? 27. So 2 over 9 plus 5 over 27, the common denominator is 27. So using lowest common multiple, we got 27. Now what we have to do, we have to make, because this is already 27, we don't have to do anything with 27, right? But this is not 27. How we can make this as a 27? By multiplying some number. So which number we will multiply here? 3. So if you multiply 9 by 3, you get 27. Whatever you do at the bottom, you do same thing at the top. So you have to multiply this with 3. So what do we get here is 3 times 2 is 6 over 27 and 5 over 27. See now, the denominators are same, right? So write the denominator once and add the numerator, add the top number, which is 11 over 20. So this, people get confused here, students, when they are adding it. They don't know how to make the denominator same. Right? So using this lowest common multiple, we will make the denominator same. Let's do some more questions. For example, this 2 over 5 and 3 over 50. So what are the multiple of 5? Multiple of 5 are 5 times 1 is 5, 5 times 2 10, so 15, 20, 25, 30, so on. And the multiple of 25 are 25, 50, 75, so on. Which number is common here? See, this 25 is common. 25 is common. So lowest common multiple is 25. So lowest common multiple is 25. So what's our new denominator? The common denominator is 25. So what do we do here? This is 2 over 5 plus 3 over 25. This is already 25, right? We don't have to change this 25. We have to make this 25. So we have to see or think a number which we can multiply with this number to get 25. So 5 times 5 is 25. So multiply this with 5. So whatever you do with denominator, do same thing at the top with the numerator. So multiply both numerator and denominator by 5. So that way 5 times 2 is 10 and 5 times 5 is 15. So it will be 10 over 25 plus 3 over 25. See, now denominator is same. So write the denominator only once and add the top numbers. This is how we add. If two fraction, they don't have the same denominator. So 1 over 4. So write the multiple of 4. Multiple of 4 are 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, so on. And multiple of 3 are 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, so on. So see, 12 is common. So this is 12, this is 12, both are 12. So lowest common multiple, I'm just writing LCM, lowest common multiple is 12. So what do we do here? 1 over 4 plus 2 over 3. Now these two different denominator, we have to make them 12. So which number we should multiply 4 to get 12? So time by 3. Same thing do at the top also. And how we can make this 12? So time by 4. Time by 4 at the top also. What do we get here is 3 over 12 plus 8 over 12. Now both denominators are same. So write the denominator only once and add the top number. 3 plus 8 is 11 over. And then 5 over 11 and 7 over 13. So what we do is, in case you don't know how to make the denominator same, you don't want to do a lowest common multiple thing, there is other way you can do is, for example, this is 5 over 11 and this is 7 over 13. So if we multiply these two numbers with this denominator and these two numbers with this denominator, you will make the denominator same. So we can multiply this by 13, this by 13, whatever you do at the bottom, same thing you do at the top, and multiply this with the other denominator. So what will happen now? 13 times 5 is 65, and 13 times 11 is 143, and 7 times 11 is 77 over 143. So this way you can get the common denominator even you don't know how to find the lowest common multiple. So write 143 only once and add the top numbers. (142) over 140. Let's see this question. Instead of using lowest common multiple, we just multiply by interchanging the denominator. So 3 over 14. So you multiply both by 18. And 5 over 18 multiplied by 14. 18 times 3 is 54. 18 times 14 is 252. Plus 5 times 14 is 70 over 252. Now the denominator is same, write as it is 252 and add the top numbers. 124 over 252. Now here we can reduce it. Right? So if possible, reduce it. So if you both can be divided by 2, you get 62 and then 126. Still you can divide by 2 both. Right? You can further reduce. This will be 3163. So 31 is now prime number. You cannot further reduce. So this will be the final answer. So thank you very much for watching my video.